Hello, I am Rajendra Shinde, Associate Professor from Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ozarmig. I am going to give you presentation lecture on syntax. It is prescribed for TYB English paper G3 or general paper 3. Syntax is a sentence. Syntax means the branch of linguistics which studies the structure of a sentence is known as syntax. We are going to study the structure of the syntax or sentences. Definition and introduction of syntax. Syntax is a branch of linguistics which studies the structure of sentences. Linguistics is also the scientific study of structure of language, and syntax is one of the branches of linguistics. There are many branches of linguistics or language. For example, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, etc. Sociolinguistics, it is also a part of linguistics. Pragmatics, it is also the branch of linguistics. We get words from sounds and sentences from words. This is unique ability only found in human communication system. Now, human beings are gifted with such a kind of communication ability. Birds, animals are not gifted with this unique ability of language. That's why there is uniqueness in human communication. All sentences have a structure that studies first the parts from which sentences are built. Means which parts are used to construct or structure the sentence. How the sentences are built from words, phrases, sounds, and in words also there are nouns, uh, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, pronoun, preposition, article, etc. Means parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech and they are used as a part of sentences. The way in which the parts of sentences are arranged or organized, the ways how the sentence is arranged or organized, means structure of sentence is studied. Sentences are formed of words, but before these words become a sentence, they are grouped into meaningful groups called phrases. Means first sound, then word, then phrase. Means sound makes a word makes a phrase, and it is a meaningful group of words that is called phrases. Thus, sounds, words, phrases, they construct or make the sentence. Now, the definition and types of phrases. Definition means the meaning of phrases. Phrases are meaningful group of words and become a part of sentences. If you will take word a, then boy, then uh, black, then shirt, then in, these words have no meaning. If you will say a boy in a black shirt, it will become meaningful group of words. Okay, when words are put properly, they get the meaning, and such a kind of meaningful group of words become a phrase, and phrases become a part of sentences. Sounds make words, words make phrases, and phrases become the part of sentences. Phrases are made up of groups of words that come together to modify the meaning of a head word. In linguistics, to modify means to add something to the meaning in the phrase. For example, green shirt. Shirt is a head word. Head means main word, meaningful word. Here shirt is a noun and it has its own meaning. Okay, but green is modifier. It is an adjective. It modifies the noun or head word shirt. Shirt is thus the head word and green is a modifier or adjective that modifies the meaning of a shirt. Which shirt? Green shirt. Okay, not white shirt or black shirt or red shirt, but green shirt. Types of phrases. There are 4 types of phrases. Noun phrase. Its abbreviation is NP. N stands for noun. P stands for phrase. Then second type is adjective phrase. ADJ. Adjective. P stands for phrase. Then adverb phrase. ADV stands for adverb. P stands for phrase. Adverb phrase. Fourth one is prepositional phrase. PP. Abbreviation is PP. First P stands for prepositional and second P stands for phrase. In this way, in noun phrase, noun is head word. In adjective phrase, adjective is head word. In adverb phrase, adverb is head word. And in prepositional phrase, preposition is head word in the phrase. Phrase structure rules. PS rules. Abbreviation PS. P stands for phrase. S stands for structure. Phrase structure means PS rules. Phrase structure rules or PS rules determine or decide the different kinds of phrases. Means there are also types of clauses as well as types of phrases. Different kinds of phrases as well as how different phrases are combined or used to produce grammatical sentences. And there are some rules given. First, noun phrase. Okay, how noun phrase is made up of or structured. See, a noun phrase must minimally consist of a noun. Means at least noun should be there. Head word should be there in noun phrase. At least one. It may be a noun or pronoun. Common noun, proper noun or pronoun. Plural, singular of a noun. For John, she, cars, his, her, their, earth, all these are nouns and they become the part of noun phrase. Single noun can be a noun phrase. This rule says an NP is composed of an N. Why an is added before NP? An article is used before NP because no, we cannot say napa, but N, A is vowel, N, A is vowel, that's why before vowel we use this an article. Then N, composed of N, before N is added and this article is added. Now second phrase structure rule. First phrase structure rule or noun phrase structure rule is NP N. Means in noun phrase single noun is there. First structure. Second structure B. NP in noun phrase there are two words. Determiner D means determiner and N noun. Means NP is equal to D plus N. Now D is in bracket means it is optional but N is compulsory. Noun must be there in noun phrase. The boy. Boy is head word or noun. The is article, it is determiner. His car. car is head word, it is a noun, and his is adjective or a determiner, you can say, or pronoun, it is a pronoun. One man, man is head word or noun, and one is numeral, you can say, numerical determiner. There are also types of determiners. We'll see later on, study it in the next slide. This rule says an NP is composed of the determiners and noun or noun phrase. In the first rule, structure rule, there is a single noun. Okay. In second phrase structure rule, there is noun as well as determiner. Two words are there. Determiners are, in short, D, are found inside NP. These determiners are always there in noun phrase. Which are determiners we will say in next slide. Determiners. Which are determiners? There are 5 determiners. Articles, numerals, quantifiers, demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, WH question words. These are 5 determiners. They are used in phrase, noun phrase, as a determiners. Articles, there are 3 articles we all know, a and the. Numerals means numbers, 1 to 100, 3, 4, 5. Numbers means numerals. 1 boy, 2 boys, 100 people, you can say hundreds of people, or 100 rupees. Then quantifiers. Quantifier, it does not tell us in number but in some proportion. Quantify is there. Some, any, in this way they are used. Demonstrative pronouns are these, that, those. THOSE should be there. There is a gap between T and H. That is those. Means this, that, these, those, these, they. These are demonstrative pronouns. 5 number possessive pronoun. His, their, her, etc. Then WH question words. Whose, which, what, where. These are, you can say, WH question words. You know, there are many: how, what, where, when, why, etc. Third structure of noun phrase is C. NP means noun phrase. D means determiner plus adjective phrase plus noun. Noun is head word, I have already told you. In noun there is a determiner, we have already seen. Then adjective phrase is added now in this structure. For example, the tall boy, his blue car. In tall boy, which is the head word? Boy. Noun is head word. Then the is determiner. Okay, article is used, definite article, the is used, and it is a determiner in this phrase, noun phrase. Tall is adjective. Which boy? Tall boy. Now, here tall is a modifier of boy, noun. That's why it is adjective. Okay, that's why it is adjective phrase. One word may be adjective phrase, one noun may be a noun phrase, one adjective may be adjective phrase, like this. His blue car, which is head word? Car. His is determiner. His is possessive pronoun, it is determiner. Owner, who is owner? His, how he is owner. And how is his car? Blue. Car is noun or head word, blue is adjective phrase, and his is determiner, possessive pronoun. We could also optionally have adjective phrases within the noun phrase between the determiner and the noun. For example, next structure is of the noun phrase D. Noun phrase is made up of determiner D, adjective phrase plus this sign is for two adjective phrases. Plus means there is not only one, it suggests that there is second also. Second adjective phrase is also there. Then noun. Noun is of course head word. The bright spirited girl. For example, here are four words in the phrase. Which is the head word? Girl. The is determiner and there are two adjective phrases. One is bright and second is spirited. There are two adjectives, means two adjective phrases, bright and spirited. They modify noun girl. Okay. Then last one, E, structure of noun phrase. Noun phrase includes determiner, adjective phrase, plus means two adjective phrases, noun, then there is prepositional phrase, plus means PP plus means two prepositions or prepositional phrases are added. Means in it is a final, you can say, and most important structure of the, you can say, big phrase or large phrase structure, final structure of a noun phrase. NP means noun phrase, determiner is there, adjective phrase plus means there are two adjective phrases or three, then noun, there are two prepositional phrases, PP plus means two phrases. The tall handsome boy from London in this class. The is determiner, tall is adjective phrase, handsome is also adjective phrase, means there are two adjective phrases, boy is noun, from London, from is, you can say, preposition, and in the class, in is preposition. In the class is one prepositional phrase and from London is second prepositional phrase. Means there are two adjective phrases and ADJP plus means there are two adjective phrases and PP plus means there are two prepositional phrases. The tall, the is determiner, tall is first adjective phrase, handsome is second adjective phrase, then boy is head word noun, then there are two PP plus means two prepositional phrases, from London and in the class. From is preposition in from London phrase and in the class in is preposition, this prepositional phrase. In this way we have studied the structures of the phrases. Now adjective phrase PS rules means phrase structure rules. We have seen NP or noun phrase structure rules. There are 5 rules of noun phrase structure. Now there are 2 kinds of phrase structures of adjective phrase. First one is adjective phrase is made up of D means determiner, adjective and noun. Now adjective is not in the bracket because adjective is head word in adjective phrase. That's why the word which is head word or main word, it is not put into bracket. Means in adjective phrase, adjective is compulsory and it is in not bracket. Means the blue bird, the is determiner, it is definite article, bird is noun and blue is the modifier of bird. That's why it is adjective. Adjective, okay, means the determiner plus adjective blue, then bird is noun. Second rule, adjective phrase is made up of, second rule is determiner plus adjective phrase and noun. there are two adjective phrases plus sign is for two adjective phrases. For example, the big blue bird. The is determiner, definite article, big first adjective, blue second adjective, and bird is noun. This is one adjective phrase. Second, the very big bird. The is determiner, definite article, very is adjective, first adjective, and big is second adjective. There are two adjectives, and bird is a noun. Third type of phrase is adverb phrase. Of course, adverb is head word in adverb phrase. ADV means adverb, P for phrase. Adverb phrase. First structure rule is adverb phrase is made up of verb phrase plus adverb. Drive slowly. Okay. Drive is verb. That's why one verb may be a phrase. Verb phrase. And slowly is adverb. Drive very slowly. Okay. Drive and very here verb. Drive is verb and slowly and very is adverbs. Then third type is prepositional phrase, PP. Prepositional phrase. First type is prepositional phrase includes preposition is head word, then D determiner, and then NP. On the table. On is preposition, the is determiner, article, table is noun. With his friend. With his preposition, his is possessive pronoun, determiner, and friend is noun. NP. Below an elephant. Below is determiner, an is also determiner, elephant is noun phrase, an is determiner, below is preposition. Okay, an is determiner, article, and elephant is noun, means noun phrase. Between the fields. Between is preposition, the is determiner, and fields is noun phrase. Throw the garbage out. Throw is preposition, throw out. Okay, the is a determiner, garbage is noun phrase. We have seen three types of kinds of phrases. Fourth one is verb phrase. VP. V is long form of verb. P for phrase. Verb phrase is one of the most complex structures in English. VP. It is the complete structure, final structure of verb phrase. And there are A, B, C, D, E, F. These are 6 rules of verb phrase structure. Means PS rules, phrase structure rules. 6. First one, parenthesis or bracket refers to optional elements. They may be used or may not be. And plus is used to the possibility of using a category multiple times, means 2 or more than 2. More than 1, remember, plus is a symbol of addition. For example, first, verb phrase is made up of verb and noun phrase. V and NP means first rule is verb phrase is made up of one verb. Verb is head word or main word in this phrase, and NP is there. NP means noun phrase. Slam the door. Slam the door. Slam is verb. The door is NP. Second rule, verb phrase is made up of verb, NP, noun phrase, and PP means prepositional phrase. Tied the mosquito net to 4 nails. Tied is verb. The mosquito net is noun phrase. To 4 nails is prepositional phrase. To 4 nails is prepositional phrase because to is preposition in this phrase. C. Third PS rule, phrase structure rule of verb phrases. Verb phrase is made up of verb and prepositional phrase. 5 minutes passed in silence. In silence. Okay. In is preposition. In silence is prepositional phrase. Past is verb. Then D. Verb phrase is made up of adverb phrase plus verb. I could barely breathe. Breathe is verb. Barely is adverb. Okay. Adverb phrase. I could barely. It is adverb phrase because it qualifies or modifies the verb breathe. I could barely breathe. Breathe is here verb and I could barely is adverb phrase. Now here walked is the verb. E. Rule number 5. Verb phrase is made up of verb and two prepositional phrases. Walked is verb along with the poor animal. Along with the poor animal, this is first prepositional phrase because along with prepositions. For a while, second prepositional phrase. For is preposition used in this phrase. Now F, last one. Verb phrase is made up of verb, NP means two noun phrases and PP means prepositional phrase. Gave is verb. Marry is noun phrase. A pen is noun phrase. In the bus is prepositional phrase because in is preposition in the bus phrase. In this way we have seen 4 types of phrases and their structure rules. I would like to conclude this lecture. In this lecture we have seen the definition of syntax. What is syntax? Then its structure, then phrases, determiners, phrase structure rules, types of phrases. There are 4 types of phrases: noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, PP, prepositional phrase. In this way we have studied syntax, this part of syntax. In the next lecture we will meditate or study in detail in syntax in next lecture. Thank you very much.